What's going on, everybody? Brian Mann here, Hands-On Auto Training, end of day, November 9th, 2021. Guys, I got a tech tip for you today. This is probably going to help maybe technicians my age or older, possibly. Many of you may already have this under your belt. I guarantee you, anybody that was going to school when the internet was of age, you guys already got this down. But something just to keep in mind. Today I had 3 gravy train jobs, all TCMs, rear-wheel drive GMs. We had a 2012 Chevy Express, we had a 2012 Chevy Silverado, and we had a 2017 Chevy Express. All these went well. I did have 2 problem child vehicles, so I'm going to share those with you here as we get started. But first off, I want to talk about my tech tip of the day. This is Tech Tip Tuesday, let's call it that, right? All right, you see I have all data open here. I want you guys to understand, you know, we go through stuff all the time where, say, this is a 2003 Century. This is actually my brother's car I was working on with him. And let's say we're looking at the powertrain management. We want to take a look at our engine control diagrams, and we have a diagram here, and this is nice. We can see our powers and grounds. I like how GM did these older diagrams, really cool like that. No problems here. But here's the thing, many times you want to find out, okay, where is this C1 or C2, or what do the terminals look like, where are they at? Well, I've seen so many technicians actually struggling. When I say struggling, I'm talking like they're going back and forth in their service information trying to find stuff. But what you really need to be doing is go like this. You just go back to the screen where you can click on something. You go ahead and right click and click on open link and new tab. Now we have a new tab, and we can click on the same exact vehicle. We're still in the same vehicle. We can go to diagrams, we can go to connector views, and we can scroll down here to, say, what do they call that, engine control module, boom. And we can take a look at our actual connector end view here. No problem. Sorry about that. Anyways, you can see this here, but you can also quickly get back over here. So this just makes it really easy for us to be able to you know, zoom in, take a look at what's going on. Just open up new tabs, that's all. I think, like I said, many people already have this simple thing down, but it's something that might help you if you didn't think about it much before. So the problem child vehicles of the day, we had this 2009 Dodge Avenger, had a used ABS control module installed in it. All right, here's the pre-scan for this Chrysler product. As you see here, it's a 2009 Avenger, and if we scroll down, first off, usually what we see in our pre-scan is our DTCs and all that. And where'd it go? We got this configuration mismatch right here. This is what the main problem is. Now, I want you to see here in our scan report, it does give us the name of the module, as you see, and also the current VIN, or an original VIN, and also the flash part number. So check this out. We have this 89999AA. That is the number we have, and we have a different VIN number. You can see the VIN number is different than what's in the report here. So this is something to be aware of. But also, as we type in this VIN number into our software here, this is all data, Identifix can work the same. This is a ABS control module out of a Dodge Caliber, not a Dodge Avenger. So we got 2 different things going on here. Actually, they told me originally that it was a new one, and when I got there I found out it was used. Usually we go ahead and do an ABS initialization procedure, but we are getting this error. Right away we get this error, and it turns out if you compare the part number of the ABS control modules, they're totally different. This number is the calibration ID, believe it or not, that's on the pump here. That is the calibration ID number, and if they don't match, I'm not saying that it can't work, but you got to double check, call the dealer, verify part numbers and all that. This was totally different, not even close to the same thing, so it would error out when I tried to initialize it. The next problem child of the day was a 2009 Pontiac G8. This is that, I guess, the Australian model, the Opel or something like that. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not like really a GM in many senses. It's not standard fare here. So I started trying to do a security learn. They had a replacement engine control module that already had the latest calibrations in it. I verified all that. Everything was good there. And they wanted me to do this security learn. Now, starting out the security learn on TechLine Connect, it just froze up. It wouldn't move. It was stuck at 0% all the time. I actually waited like 20 minutes because I had a phone call I had to be on, and this thing didn't budge. So I tried it twice, called GM. Turns out they ended up hooking me up and setting up SPS1, gave me a link to that. and we got a VCI code, and then this job was complete. So that was my day. It was pretty good. Guys, if you aren't subscribed to the Premier Core memberships, if you want to learn more about some of these basic things that I go over, I have some programming videos, I have basic electricity videos, all kinds of good stuff up there. Be sure to check out handsonautotraining.com. And if you are a Premium Core member, you are entered in to win the U-Scope. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.